In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create AI-generated presentations in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now from here, navigate over to the left-hand column. It doesn't matter where you are on your Canva. You can be on any page. And from here, you need to look for Canva AI. And when you find it, simply just click on it. And when you do that, Canva AI's interface, the dashboard, will be presented in your main screen. So from here, click into the prompt field and be specific and descriptive about what you need from Canva. So we can say, please, can you create a presentation for me on the best way to compare softwares and the best way to create written content for these comparisons. So feel free to the topic. Alright, so I've just entered a small little prompt. You can and definitely should be much more descriptive, including things about specific slides and the amount of information you would like and all of those. But just for the sake of the tutorial, I've kept it very short and simple. So once you've done that, look for the submit button, which is just an arrow pointing to the right. Click on that when you're done, and Canva will load it out for you. So it says working on it. So now we just wait. So it even provides a presentation outline, which is cool because we can edit this later if there are specific points that we may feel contentious about. So once you are happy with the presentation outline, you can just go through each of the points, and if there's something that you don't like, you can click into the field and you can maybe say change the final point and instead have it as it currently is, but also include a conclusive slide. So now it will make that change. You see, so you can still keep the rest of your presentation outline, and you're able to edit that specific element. So once you feel as though you are ready, you can simply just click on generate presentation. So let's see what we get. So it can take a while depending on what you ask it for, but we should be just about ready to go here. So there you have it. It has given us a full guide, a full presentation, sorry. It's given us a full presentation comparing software and creating written content for comparison. So you can, once it is done, go through each of the slides and you can edit each specific slide, add your own content in places where you may not like it, as well as replacing images and colors and elements that you may not like. So you can go through each slide, and if you things like this are would be an example of what I mean, you can change. And if there are any parts of it that you may not like, that you don't want to do manually, you can simply come back in here and enter your changes or your edits in there, and it will regenerate the presentation for you. And you can tell it to keep maybe slides that you do like and remove the others and make the changes that you need. So that is how you create AI generated presentations in Canva. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there are points where you found yourself struggling, or if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section of this video, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.